Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Gusto employee account. To do so, follow some simple steps, which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and search for Gusto Employee Login. Over here, you can see the options. Click on the first one, Gusto Login, or you can type in app.gusto.com. Gusto helps to manage and access your business payroll. Now, you can see the interface here for login. Enter your email address over here like this, and password over here. You can confirm your password by clicking on this show button. And if you guys face any sort of issues while signing in, you can click here, having trouble signing in. If you guys are using your private device, you can click here, remember this device, to stay logged in. But if you are using a public computer, I do not recommend to do this due to privacy. And after you do that, click on Sign In button. You should be able to sign in or log in into your Gusto employee account. And also, if you guys have your account on Xero or Google, you can sign in using Google or Xero. And also, if you guys need any help, you can click here, visit our help center, to get help. So, that is how you guys can log into your Gusto employee account. That's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for more videos like this. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.